Are you thinking about how to sell your Coolidge house fast and want to avoid the hassle of conventional real estate approaches? Look no further than Kevin Buys Houses. With over 20 years of experience in the real estate industry, we are your reliable local cash buyer who can help you sell your house quickly in Coolidge, putting cash in your hands in as little as 24 hours. Don't let issues like foreclosure, divorce, relocation, inheritance, or mortgage problems keep you from selling your home. We'll take care of all the required steps, paperwork, and repairs to make the entire process quick, easy, and stress-free for you. Forget about the challenges of cleaning and fixing your property, searching for an agent, signing a confusing contract, or worrying about buyers changing their minds at the last minute. With Kevin Buys Houses, selling your Coolidge house quickly is a piece of cake. Reach out to us through our website or give us a call today, and we'll present you with a fair all-cash offer within 24 hours. As cash buyers, we eliminate the wait for bank financing and bypass traditional real estate methods. Additionally, we're committed to simplifying your life while still offering you a fast, fair, and honest price for your home. If you're eager to sell your house quickly in Coolidge, don't hesitate any longer. Get in touch with Kevin Buys Houses now at 480-650-2709 or visit kevinbuyshouses.com to get started.